Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect Discord with Clickup so your team can receive project updates, task notifications, and important activity directly inside your Discord server. By the end of this video, you'll have Discord successfully linked to your Clickup workspace and ready to support your team's workflow. Let's get started. Before beginning the setup process, make sure you're logged into the correct Clickup workspace and that you have the necessary permissions in Discord to add apps or integrations to the server you want to connect. Without the proper permissions, some of the setup options may not be available. Start by opening Clickup and navigating to your workspace dashboard or team overview area. This is a good place to begin because it ensures you're working inside the correct workspace from the start. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a moment to verify that the workspace name displayed in the navigation menu matches the one you intend to connect with Discord. Once you've confirmed that, open the workspace menu and go to Settings. Think of the Settings area as the command center for your workspace. It's where you'll find controls for permissions, preferences, team management, and integrations. Inside Settings, locate the App Center. This section serves as a marketplace and management hub for Clickup integrations. Whether you're connecting communication tools, storage services, or productivity apps, this is where you'll find them. Use the search bar within the App Center and type Discord. The integration should appear in the search results. If it doesn't, refresh the page, confirm your internet connection is stable, and make sure you're viewing the App Center for the correct workspace. When the Discord integration appears, click on it to open its information page. Here, you'll find a summary of its capabilities, including task notifications, project updates, and other features that help connect your Clickup activities with Discord channels. Take a quick look through the available features to ensure the integration meets your team's needs. Next, click Manage, followed by Add to Discord. A new authorization window will open. From the list provided, choose the Discord server you want to connect. Only servers where you have permission to add applications will be available for selection. You'll then be asked to review and approve the permissions requested by the integration. Carefully check these permissions before continuing. Depending on your organization's policies, you may want to limit access to only the features your team plans to use. Next, choose the Discord channel where Clickup notifications should be delivered. Selecting the correct channel helps keep project updates organized and ensures the right people see important information. After completing the authorization process, you'll be redirected back to Clickup. The integration should now be active and ready to use. You can always return to the management settings later if you want to modify notification preferences or adjust how the integration behaves. And that's it. You've successfully connected Discord with Clickup. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Clickup productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.